So here we are under the hood, looking for the map sensor, and it's, if you look in between the engine cover and the battery, there it is, with that little Mercedes logo on it. So let's get it swapped out. And this is what we're going to be using. It's branded as a Lexmark sensor. It's actually standard motor products, and the two screws off male Torx head ones, which I think they're TX8, Torx 8, so we're going to get them out with this socket here. So I'll let you watch that. From the test drive, the difference was actually astounding. It drives like a whole different Jeep. It's responsive, the power delivery is smooth. I'd forgotten obviously what it was like previously until I changed the sensor. There's no more smell of the unburnt fuel, the unburnt diesel, which is a very distinct smell. If you've smelt it before, you'll know. Just took it on a 5-mile test drive so that it had time to relearn its settings, the ECU, and I'm pleased with that. That's really good. So I can't remember how much the part cost, but for a 140,000 mile Jeep, and it's given it a new lease of life, it was worth it. So hope that's helped. If it has, just click the like for me, just so that I know, and keep on Jeeping and GMCing.